watch me elevate.
Let's just get into it. And I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk na how na-end yung video last time. Nag-crop kasi yung recording eh. Timer starts now. Hey! Ah! She's glitching. No code. No safety. There she is. Oh boy. We're just gonna run from her. How can I move on when I'm still fucking hate you, putek? There's the code. Hide. I'm fucked. She just opened the door. Get the code. Careful. Careful lang. Saan siya? Saan siya dadaan? We just needed a hammer and we're all set. Answer is, there she is. Layo niyo dun, no? She is stuck again. Bro, what is this version? She is stuck. That's it, Granny. That's it. That's it. That's it. Careful now. We don't wanna make some noises over here. There's the hammer. There she is. Don't look. God damn, we need a safe key. No. Damn, we need a safe key. Yes, we need a safe key. Punta ba siya dito? Yeah, the speed one is... Where she is? Uh-oh, not good. There's the safe key. Ikodin lang natin siya. Hello. Hello. Okay. Kunin mo yan. Woohoo. Yeah, we're about to end this, guys. We're about to end this. Tanga, dito ako. Yes! That's all she wrote. And that's all she wrote. Bye-bye, Kupal! Finally, we end the original version of Gani. May jump scare ba? Wala. Let's go! Finally! This is my third attempt. Actually, this is my third attempt for today. Meron akong retakes. But this is great. This is great. Na-end na natin yung Gani in only, I don't know. Tignan ko lang kung anong time yung na-end natin tong game na to. Okay guys, sana na-enjoy nyo yung video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming videos. I'm glad na na-end na natin yung Gani. Maglalaro pa tayo ng ibang horror games. Marami ako na-downloads dito eh. Lalo na yung Slenderman. It's Slender the 8 pages, yung mobile port niya. Ayun ang susunod na lalawin natin ng horror game. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. And as always, I'll see you next time. Peace.